Welcome to this comprehensive guide on how to use Monday.com columns. Monday.com is a work operating system that helps teams manage their tasks and projects in a flexible and customizable way. Columns are a key feature of Monday.com, allowing you to organize and display your data in a way that makes sense for your team. To get started with columns, first navigate to your Monday.com board and click on the plus sign at the top right corner of the screen to add a new column. You will be presented with a range of column types to choose from, including text, date, person, and numeric. Choose the column type that best fits the data you want to display. For example, if you want to track the deadline for a task, you would choose the date column type. If you want to assign a task to a team member, you would choose the person column type. Once you have selected your column type, you can customize the column settings to suit your needs. One of the key concepts to understand when using columns is the idea of column dependencies. This allows you to create relationships between different columns, so that when one column is updated, the other columns are automatically updated as well. For instance, you can set up a column dependency so that when a task is marked as complete, the status column is automatically updated to reflect this. Best practices for using columns include keeping your columns concise and focused on a single piece of data, using clear and descriptive column names, and regularly reviewing and updating your columns to ensure they remain relevant and useful. To take your column usage to the next level, consider using formulas and automation. Formulas allow you to perform calculations and manipulate data within your columns, while automation allows you to set up custom workflows and notifications based on changes to your columns. In summary, Monday.com columns are a powerful tool for organizing and displaying your data. By choosing the right column type, customizing your column settings, and using column dependencies, formulas, and automation, you can create a customized system that works for your team. By following these steps and best practices, you can unlock the full potential of Monday.com columns and take your team's productivity to the next level.